Hello students, today I have a brand new video for you on your subject physics. Today we will be discussing the exercises in chapter 1 matter. Let us begin. Question number 1. Define matter. What is its composition? Answer. Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. Ancient Indian philosophers used to think that matter is made up of 5 elements: air, water, sky, earth, and fire. Now we know that matter is made of extremely small particles called atom. Next question. Name the 3 states of matter. Answer. The 3 states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. Next question. What is a molecule? Answer. A molecule is the smallest particle which can exist freely in nature by itself. Next, mention one example each of a monoatomic and diatomic molecule. Answer. Monoatomic molecule neon and diatomic molecule oxygen. Next question. What do you mean by intermolecular spacing? Answer. The molecules are separated from each other with spaces called intermolecular space. Next question. Describe a simple experiment to illustrate the existence of intermolecular space. Answer. We can illustrate the existence of intermolecular spacing by a simple experiment. We will take a glass filled with water up to the brim and add powdered sugar to it. We will see that the sugar dissolves completely. The intermolecular spaces present in the liquid gets filled with the solid sugar molecules. Next question. What do you mean by intermolecular forces? Answer. The molecules in a substance are held together by the forces acting between the molecules, which are called intermolecular forces of attraction. Next question. What are the forces of cohesion and adhesion? Answer. The force of attraction between the molecules of the same substance is called force of cohesion, while the force of attraction between the molecules of two different substances is called the force of adhesion. Next question. State the 3 characteristics of molecules of matter which determine its solid, liquid, and gaseous states. Answer. The 3 characteristics are: number A, intermolecular space, number B, intermolecular force of attraction, and number C, movement of molecules. Question number 16. A gas has neither a definite volume nor a definite shape. Describe the molecular model to explain it. So for this question, first you have to draw a diagram showing the molecular model of gas. So this diagram is figure 1.5 in your physics book on page number 9. So before copying down the answer, make sure you draw this diagram. Now we will move on to the answer. Molecular model of gases. The molecules of a gas lie much farther apart than they lie in a liquid or a solid. Thus, the density of gases is very low. The molecules of gases are free to move in the entire space available to them because the force of attraction between the molecules of a gas is negligible. Number C. The molecules of gases are in constant random motion, moving in all possible directions at all possible speeds. Question number 17. Distinguish between the 3 states of matter, solid, liquid, and gas on the basis of their molecular models. Answer. There is a strong force of attraction between the molecules of a solid, and therefore molecules in a solid are closely packed. The attractive force between the molecules of a liquid is not as strong as it is in solids, so they are loosely packed and are not fixed. The molecules can move over one another within the boundary of the liquid. The molecules of a gas lie much farther apart than they lie in a solid or a liquid. Once again, there are three diagrams that you need to draw. They are figure 1.3, 1.4 and 1.5 in your physics book. With this, we come to the end of this video. Thank you.